social media lights, Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at Aloft, a Marriott brand hotel in Gainesville near the University of Florida. Pretty edgy kind of place, very hip. We got this bar right here in the center of the lobby, WXYZ. Very cool pool area and all the amenities you'd expect from a Marriott brand. We'll give you a look around and even give you a room tour, so come right this way. All right, here we are at a loft in Gainesville, Florida. We are staying for one night to visit some friends and family. Here's the bathroom as soon as you walk in. Here's the shower and town hall where all the business gets done. Looks like they got fancy shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. Mr. Coffee maker, microwave, safe to keep things you need safe. There I am, Mr. Nooks and Crannies. And looky. Got one king bed. There's telephone, remote control. Interesting little bench there. There's a desk to do your work. Charge port. Retro clock. Oh, we got a view of the pool view. Very cool. Yeah, so this is basically right here on the grounds of University of Florida in Gainesville. And I'm getting a dorm room kind of vibe in here. Ironing board. That's it. Pretty cool little room. What you think, Amy?
Yeah, it's cool. Look, there's a closet too.
Oh. There you go. Excellent. All right. Aloft Gainesville.
Okay.
Got you, got you.
Okay, but you gotta go to the movie.
That's fine. I didn't want to go live. It's still there.
That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying, call off the Marines. We're coming home. Yeah.